Finding the right business insurance can be time-consuming and stressful. There's always a lot to consider. However, just knowing some of the common problems you might face can save you time and help you find the right insurance policy. In this video, we'll be going over the 5 most common problems with business insurance and how you can avoid them. By the end of this video, you'll have learned how to save time and avoid problems when getting your business insurance policy. Business insurance isn't perfect. At Barry Insurance, we're always learning something new, even after 100 years of being in business. We've seen a lot and want to share some of the most common problems with commercial insurance. The more prepared you are for things that could become an issue with your business insurance, the better you'll be able to prevent them. The 5 common problems are being rated incorrectly by a carrier, carriers requiring an audit, having out-of-date coverage, missing discounts, complexity. Let's get started. Insurance carriers rate your business to determine the risk that comes with your operations. It helps determine how much insurance you'll need and how much your insurance will cost. Every carrier interprets risk differently, so they rate businesses based on different factors. Some carriers rate off of sales and revenue, others payroll, and others use a combination of the two. Sometimes these discrepancies result in poor coverage. Here's a real-world example. We were asked to review a business owner's policy who did photography, videography, and graphic design. His insurance carrier was not rating him for all of his exposures. If he ever had a claim, he may not have had the correct coverage and would have had to pay out of pocket to make up for his loss. The solution: find a thorough agent who will take the time to get to know your business. Make sure the agent asks detailed questions and that you're honest with them about all of your operations. Depending on your industry and type of business you run, insurance companies could deem you auditable. These types of businesses that carriers deem auditable are businesses classified based off of sales or payroll. If a carrier thinks that those metrics could change from the start to the end of your policy, there's a chance you'll have an audit. The solution: be prepared for the fact that you could be considered auditable, but it will vary from company to company depending on how they rate you. Work with an agent who will educate you on your options, make sure you're the right fit for a carrier, and help prepare you for an audit. As you know, your business can change very quickly. Policy periods usually last for a year. Anything that changes in a year could cause your insurance to be out of date. If you haven't reviewed your insurance for a few years, you might not be properly covered for all of your operations. The solution: always let your insurance agent know of any changes in these areas. If you want to learn more about reviewing your insurance policy, check out the article below. Some carriers will credit you for having certain risk management solutions in place. These include if your agent wasn't thorough, they might have missed these and you could be stuck with a higher premium. The solution: again, make sure you're working with an experienced and thorough business insurance agent who will dive deep and get to know your business. Always communicate business information to your agent. That way you can make sure that the carrier has all the information they need to apply the discounts to your policy. Business insurance is complicated. At Barry Insurance, we're always discovering new scenarios and nuances. The coverages, exclusions, forms, and processes are complicated and all vary. No two businesses are the same, so no policy is going to be the same. If you're trying to figure out the policy on your own, you're probably going to struggle. You might have heard this before, but the solution is to find a good agent. A great insurance agent will be thorough, attentive to your business and its needs, and willing to educate you. A great agency will be proactive about educating you and thoroughly answering all of your questions, so you can feel confident in your policy. If you're looking to learn more about insurance, make sure to like this video and hit subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you're ready to find the right agent for your business.